Hi guys, good morning. I thought I'd share my morning skincare routine while I'm trying out products from Human Nature, their marine caviar line, and a new sunscreen, the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. I don't know if I'll cut the video so that it doesn't go so long, but yeah, as you can see, my face is all puffy. I just practically woke up. I washed my face, and let me just run you through the skincare steps that I've already done. So first, I apply the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It's my vitamin C at the moment because I apply vitamin C in the morning. And then I use the BYS Extra Brightening Eye Cream. I'm not entirely sure if this is like effective because I alternate with another eye cream, especially for at night. But I think it hydrates my under eye area enough. So yeah. I'm filming in the morning, so the color of the video might be different. But yeah, this is my first time trying this out. This is the Human Nature Marine Caviar Hydro Miracle Essence. I've actually tried the moisturizer before, and while I find it to be okay, my dry skin doesn't, it feels that doesn't, it's not enough. So yeah, when they added this, I'm hoping that it will be enough already. So let me apply it now. So this is a texture. I hope it's quite runny because it's an essence. And I feel like it kind of hydrated my face well enough. Again, this is first impressions for this one. And then let's follow up with this. It says 1 to 2 pumps. I did 2 pumps. Let's try this one. So this is their moisturizer. It says 1 pump. Hopefully it will be enough. It's the morning anyway, so. The Marine Caviar line of Human Nature is, if I recall correctly, it's to help your skin glow. And there are also some like anti-aging benefits. Mostly it's for glowing skin. And of course, it's Human Nature. There's no harmful chemicals. And yeah, I remember because I reviewed it before, the cleanser and the moisturizer. I remember it being very hydrating, but it's not enough for my dry, dehydrated skin, especially now. I mean, it's like almost summer, but my skin feels so dehydrated. Anyway, so that's it. Well, the video is quite short still, so let's proceed to the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch. It's my first time trying it out, but I've seen rave reviews, so hopefully it will work. I'm still searching for like my perfect sunscreen. Still don't have the best one yet. Oh, I'm gonna have, I peeled it off, but I don't think it really opened. Let's try. Okay, there. So let's see. I'll apply 1 finger worth first. Okay, first impressions on this. I like that it's not super glowy, and I feel like applying a second application still look good, even on its own. And that's what I'm looking for my base, like my sunscreen. So there. I feel like it really feels like a dry touch sunscreen. Like it's hydrated, but it's not like one of those oily type of sunscreens. Can you see? I think the morning sun will give like better color rendering. Yeah, so that's my quick morning routine at the moment. I've designated these for my morning. I might be changing my vitamin C soon, but I haven't figured out which one yet. But I'll let you know if I shift to different sunscreen, a different vitamin C, because this is quite expensive, but it's effective and lasts quite a while, and you can really seal it. So again, makes it last quite a while. So yeah, that's my morning routine. I'm going to do another video for my makeup. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. And good morning, wherever you are. Hope you're gonna have a great day. Are you having a great day? Thank you again, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!